Does holding in a sneeze really kill brain cells? Ever tried to hold in a sneeze? Some say it can kill brain cells. But is that true? Let's find out. When you sneeze, air shoots out at nearly 100 miles per hour. Holding it in builds up pressure in your head, which can cause tiny blood vessels to burst. But does it kill brain cells? Not exactly. While rare, trapping a sneeze could lead to ear damage, a ruptured blood vessel, or even a throat injury. Ouch! But unless you're doing it constantly, your brain cells are safe. So next time, just let it out. Your brain will thank you. Ever held in a sneeze? Tell me in the comments and follow for more health facts.